I want to quickly talk to you about the top 10 new LLC business credit cards that pull experience, personal experience that is, with minimal paperwork. If you are looking for large limits and fair credit minimum, this is the video you definitely want to watch, so I want you to stick around till the end. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing great and blessed as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka. Now let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to speak to you about the top 10 new LLC business credit cards that pull personal experience with minimum paperwork. They give you a large limits up to $100,000. And they are looking for a fair credit minimum. Number 10, we have American Heritage Business Platinum. Our score, 7.4 over 10. So American Heritage is a credit union, so you got to be a member, an individual member, but also a business member. But the cool thing is that it is the eligibility for membership is really open, so not a problem. And this particular credit card, we love the fact that the credit card here, this business credit card, is has a generous limits. You are looking at $40,000 maximum, okay? And so you have no annual fees, no balance transfer fees. And the APR is kind of decent. You are looking at maximum 13.44%. This is really good. And what we love about American Heritage Business Platinum is that it gives you actually a lot of a flexible way of using the card. You can actually add employee cards with no fee at all. Okay, you have $1 million travel accident insurance, low cost credit life insurance credit. You have extended warranty, and you have a price protection. So fantastic. Now this card is great if you are looking for a cashback at the business level. Very important. Number 9, we have M&T Business Credit Card. Our score, 8 over 10. So this is another great business credit card for your new LLC. And so here the APR is kind of decent. You are looking at a delta of 12.49% to 19.49%. Okay, this is really good. But there is an intro period where you have 0% introductory APR on balance transfers, and for 12 months. This is really good. You can add employee cards at no additional cost, and you can manage your spend limits. What we love about M&T is that this card is that you actually can use the card for everyday spending at a business level. You can charge entertainment, you can charge office supplies, you can charge, the APR is kind of cool, and they have an excellent customer service. Okay, they have cheap technology. This is really good. You have the digital wallet option. This is really good, and it really helps if you have an existing relationship with M&T Bank. So this is really good. So M&T Business Credit Card. Our score, 8 over 10. Number 8, we have a TD Business Solutions. Our score, 8.4 over 10. So this is a great card, especially if you are looking for a cashback credit card. This is really good. A cashback business credit card. This is really good for your new LLC. Fantastic. So you can earn up to 2% cashback rewards when you redeem into an eligible TD Bank business deposit account. What we love is that you can earn 1% cashback on purchases, and you earn another 1% cashback when you redeem into an eligible TD Bank account. Okay, you can earn $250 cashback in the form of a statement credit when you spend $1,500 within the first 90 days after account opening. So this is really feasible. If you have a new LLC, you can very easily spend $1,500 in the first 3 months. Okay. And what we love here with the TD Business Solution card is that actually there are no rotating categories, no caps or limits, as long as your credit card account is open and in good standing. So you can earn unlimited cashback. Fantastic. Okay, in terms of the APRs, let's just look at the rates and fees here. So the APR goes from 16.24% to 24.24%. 16.24% to 26.24%. Okay, and so the card itself has a 3% balance transfer fee. So what I'm trying to say here, this is the card that you want to use if you are looking for cash back, but you definitely want to pay the full balance each month because the APR is kind of high, and you don't want to carry balance with this card. Number 7, Connecta My Pro Business Rewards. Our score 8.5 over 10. First of all, Connecta is a credit union, so you need to have individual membership and also business membership. But the cool thing is that membership is open, okay? And the card itself is really cool because the APR is decent. You are looking at 12.24% to 18%, okay? And this is a cashback credit card, cashback business credit card also for your new LLC. So we are looking at 3% cashback on office supplies and gas, 2% cashback on business travel and entertainment. You're getting 1% cashback on everything else. And there is a relationship bonus rewards up to 20% of your cashback rewards every year. So if you have a strong relationship with Connecta, you are really winning, okay? And what we love here is that, and in addition to this annual relationship bonus, which is really great, you need to make sure that you are a Connecta member in good standing. Okay, so you are getting, let's say, 55% for being a Connecta member in good standing, and 15% for using other eligible Connecta services. So the bottom line is that Connecta is trying to really take care of you in terms of your business, in terms of your car rental insurance, in terms of your cashback, and so great card, we love it. And so Connecta My Pro Business Rewards, 8.5 over 10. Number 6, we have the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. Our score 8.8 over 10. This is another great card here, okay? So, and what we love about the PNC in general is that their customer service is stellar, hands down. I mean, they've had problems in the past, but right now, they have a stellar customer service, okay? And basically, this is actually a cashback credit card, also a cashback business credit cards. And actually, there is an offer right now where you earn a $400 bonus when you open and use a new PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business Credit Card, okay? And to qualify for this offer, you need to make at least $3,000 in qualifying net purchases using the card, okay? During the first 3 billing cycles following account opening. And there is an introductory APR of 0% for the first 9 billing cycles following account opening on purchases. Then you have a variable APR currently at 13.24% to 22.24% based on your credit. This is really good, and the card allows you to earn 1.5% cashback on net purchases. There are no limits on the amount you can earn. You have online account management. You have Visa signature benefit. This is fantastic. And what we love here with PNC is that the level of granularity when it comes to tracking the expenses you charge on your business card. Can you believe they give you access up to 13 months of transaction detail? Fantastic. You can download transactions into Excel, Quicken, or QuickBooks, or use CSV files. Now, and they also have something called cash flow insights. So they have a spend analysis that will automatically assign business categories to your posted PNC business credit card transactions. This is really cool because come tax time, if you're ready to do your taxes, it really helps to have expenses categorized for you, so you know exactly what really happens and you know where to put what. Okay. Number 5, we have Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash. Our score 8.9 over 10. And this is another cashback business credit card, and they have an offer right now. You have a $300 stipend credit bonus offer, so you can earn 3% cashback in the category of your choice. It could be gas station, office supply stores, travel, TV, telecom and wireless, computer services, or business consulting services. 2% cashback on dining purchases for the first $50,000 in combined choice category dining purchases each calendar year, and 1% thereafter, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. This is really good, okay? And this is a card that actually allowed the APR is kind of decent also, and we have a 0% APR for the first 9 billing cycles, and afterwards you have 15.24% to 25.24%. And the thing is that this card is great because this is a contactless business card. You have security, okay? You have zero liability protection. You have balance connect for overdraft protection. You have fraud monitoring. This is really good. And you have a paperless statement option. Fantastic. Number 4, we have Wells Fargo Business Platinum. Our score 9 over 10. So if you have a new LLC business, if you are looking for a business credit card, this is a really great card to have. And you can earn a one-time $300 cashback bonus or 30,000 bonus points when you select a business card rewards program and you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months after account open date. Okay, so this card has two options. You have a cashback option and you have a rewards points option. So if you choose to go with a cashback option, you can earn 1.5% cashback on qualifying purchases. If you go with the rewards points option, you actually earn 1 point on every dollar spent, and you receive 1,000 bonus points every billing cycle when you spend at least $1,000 on qualifying purchases. Okay, and you have a 0% intro APR for the first 9 months. So basically, this card is great. Now the requirements are kind of high, but if you have an existing relationship with Wells Fargo, they will actually give you a pass. Even if you're a new LLC, they will give you the card. The card has no annual fee. If you have and you have up to 99 employee cards with no additional fee. You have cash management tools, spending reports available online. And what we love is that there's no annual rewards for any there's no fee for the rewards program. Okay, no required spending categories or earning limits. You have a cashback, you have a rewards points. So this card overall is a great card. Number 3, we have Citi Business Advantage Platinum Select. Our score 9.4 over 10. So this card is great if your business, if your new LLC is going to do a lot of traveling. Okay, you have employees who are traveling all the time, and you want to earn American Airlines Advantage miles on purchases when you use the card. Okay, this is really good. And so this is the Citi's business travel credit card that offers Advantage miles, travel benefits, and more. So this is really good. In other words, you can earn 65,000 American Airlines Advantage bonus miles after spending $4,000 in purchases within the first 4 months of account opening. So if your new LLC doesn't plan on spending money in the travel category, this is not the card for you. Not at all. Okay, the APR for purchases 18.99% to 27.99%. Okay, and so the card has an annual fee of $99 that is waived the first year. Okay, and so overall, this is a great card for someone for an LLC that actually loves traveling or it's going to spend a lot of cash on traveling. So you can earn 1 Advantage mile for every dollar spent on all other purchases. You can earn 1 loyalty point for every 1 eligible mile earned from purchases. This is really good. Okay, and you're gonna have the American Airlines Companion certificate. You can redeem Advantage miles, and there is no mileage cap. Fantastic. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another session of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. I'm still having a conversation with you about new LLC business credit cards from that actually pull personal experience. Okay, so we have here number 2, American Express Blue Business Cash. Our score 9.7 over 10. This is a great card that has a 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months from the date of account opening. And after that, you have an APR that ranges from 16.24% to 24.24%. Okay, and you have a 2% cashback on everyday eligible business purchases up to $50K per calendar year automatically credited to your statement. And you have 1% cashback on other eligible purchases after the first $50,000 spent on your card automatically again credited to your statement. So this is kind of cool. And the cool thing is that you have cash flow flexibility. Okay, and you can actually buy above your credit limits with expanded buying power. It kind of helps if you already have a personal relationship with Amex. That way you can actually parlay that good standing with Amex at the personal level into a business relationship, into a business credit card holdership. Okay, and so you have a lot of benefits that come with Amex Blue Business Cash. You have cash flow flexibility, you have cashback, you have travel, you have car rental, loss and damage insurance. Really, really good. You have Global Assist Hotline. You have employee cards. You have online statements. You have account manager, account alert. You have a year-end summary. Really wonderful. You have vendor paybybill.com. You have the extended warranty, purchase protection, and the whole 9 years. Fantastic. Number one, the best of the best when it comes to new LLC business credit cards that pull Experian with minimum paperwork, large limits, and a fair credit minimum. We are talking about the Chase Inc. Business Cash. Our score 9.9 over 10. And here the card is so fantastic. It has a new card member offer, $750 bonus cashback after you spend $7,500 on purchases in the first 3 months after account opening. Okay, and you also have a 5% cashback in select business categories. Plus, you can also earn rewards on every purchase made for your business with this no annual fee credit. And there's an intro APR of 0% for 12 months from account opening. So after that, you have 15.49% to 21.49%. What we love about this card is that you earn cash back in and out. Fantastic. 5%, 2% depending on the category. Okay, so you earn 2% cash back on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at gas stations and restaurants each account anniversary year. But you earn 5% cash back on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at office supply stores and on internet, cable, and phone services each account anniversary year. You have employee cards at no additional cost. You can redeem for cashback rewards. Fantastic. You can redeem for cashback, gift cards, travel, and more through Chase Ultimate Rewards. And you can monitor and protect your business. So the bottom line is this is a really great card, and you can earn up to 100,000 points per year. Okay, and you can earn also 20,000 bonus points for each business that gets approved for any Chase Inc. credit card. Fantastic. Let me give you an overview of the conversation we're having here. So obviously, you just got the rundown of all the new LLC business credit cards that pull personal Experian. So how do you actually get a business credit card that pulls personal Experian? You got to determine your eligibility. This is really important. And what we want to say here is that you first want to start with the bank where they already know you at. You want to start the bank where they already know you already have an existing relationship at the business and or the personal level. That way, they already know your transactional history. They know your accounts. They've seen your cash inflows and cash outflows. It becomes a lot easier. So any of the banks that I listed today, except American Express, of course, which does not have business bank accounts, which does not offer that kind of account. All the other banks and credit unions, they do have the ability. They have the ability, of course, to open a business bank account for you. So you want to start where they already know you. You want to determine your eligibility. So each credit card has its own eligibility requirements. So you want to ask the credit card company, the credit card issuer, in other words, the bank or credit union, what those requirements are. Then you have to gather the required information. So if you're a new LLC business, you certainly don't have a lot of operational history, but you need to have at a minimum things like EIN, right? Things like a business bank account, your projected financial statements. You want to have a compelling business plan. You want to talk, and in some cases, the bank might require to have the resumes, the bios of the important people in the company. This could be the founders, this could be the CEO and whatnot. So those are really important when we talk about the required information, okay? And they will ask you about your EIN, also your employer ID number. And so if you want to get a business credit card for your startup, making sure that you are able to justify why you need the credit card in the first place. Are you going to charge startup cost? Are you going to charge office supplies cost? Are you trying to charge, or do you want to expand? You want to use the card to expand. In other words, you want to buy stuff that will help you expand and make more money. So research your options, very important, okay? And you also want to check your credit before applying. So the thing is, whether you're applying for a business credit card for your new LLC with or without EIN, you definitely want to make sure that you have no problem on your personal credit, okay? Because they are going to pull your personal Experian. So you want to make sure that you check that personal Experian credit score before applying. Very important. And the thing here is that if you want to apply for your business credit card. There are some specific ways you want to pay it. There are things that you want to pay attention to because they will ask you for your business legal name, address, and phone number, the type of business and industry that you are in. Okay. They will ask for your legal business structure. So in your case, you have an LLC. They'll ask for your EIN. They'll ask for number of employees on payroll. They will ask for approximate annual business revenue. And in this case, we're going to have a projected number. In other words, you're going to show on your business plan and in the projected financial statements that you intend to make maybe $500,000 or $1 million in the first year, whatever number suits you, whatever number is applicable to your business. You got to have projected financial statements. Very important. And they will also ask you your estimated revenue as well as monthly expenses on the credit card. Okay, so this is really important. So you want to apply for a credit card if you know you have studied the requirements, you have had a relationship with the bank, and you are confident that the charges you're going to put on a business credit card will help your business grow and generate more revenue. And if you want to be approved for a business credit card for your new LLC, just make sure that you are basically following all the tips and tricks that I have given you on this show. Now, there is no way to guarantee approval on any credit card application, but there are some things you can do prior to applying that should increase your chances of success. So you want to avoid maxing out any personal or business cards you already have. You want to apply for a new credit sparingly, okay, very sparingly, so that you can minimize hard inquiries on your reports. You want to identify the correct business structure to list. In your case, you have an LLC. You want to basically also respond to a pre-approval offer if you have one. This is really good because you are also improving your odds. Okay, so the bottom line is you need to have a clear idea which business credit card is best for your LLC, for your new LLC. And the right card for your business will depend largely on how you intend to operate your business, what types of purchases you make, and what benefits you are interested in. So do you travel often for business? Do you take clients out for frequent meals? Do you buy products in bulk from specific companies that may participate in rewards programs? So these are the kinds of spending patterns to take into account. Okay, very important. What will you use the credit card for most often, and how large will your average spending sums add up to? So the answers to all these questions will help you find the best business credit card for your LLC. Before I give you the rundown, please check out this credit card evaluation approach. We have a strong methodology on this show when it comes to evaluating, reviewing, and categorizing business credit cards. So check this out. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. Just quickly a recap here. So I was talking to you about the top 10 new LLC business credit cards that pull personal experience with minimum paperwork and large limits. And you got to have at least fair credit. Number 1, Chase Inc. Business Cash 9.9 over 10. Number 2, American Express Blue Business Cash 9.7 over 10. Number 3, we have City Business Advantage Platinum Select 9.4 over 10. Number 4, we have Wells Fargo Business Platinum 9 over 10. Number 5, we have Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash. We have 8.9 over 10. Number 6, we have the PNC Rewards Visa Signature Business 8.8 over 10. Number 7, we have Connecta My Pro Business Rewards 8.5 over 10. Number 8, we have TD Business Solutions 8.4 over 10. Number 9, we have M&T Business 8 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have American Heritage Business Platinum 7.4 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. God bless you. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.